Now, from the debate over mandating vaccines to incentivising them, MSS Security will incentivise their nearly 7,000 frontline and support staff to get vaccinated against COVID as soon as they are able. Joining me now live is Geoff, the Managing Director of MSS Security. Geoff, thanks for joining us. Firstly, can you tell us about the vaccination incentive program?
Certainly, Tamika. Thank you, and thank you for the opportunity. Our approach right throughout the pandemic is being guided by health department and health specialist advice, and we've certainly followed those lines and their advice right throughout. Now that we're able to, and vaccines are becoming more readily available, our opportunity to vaccinate our 7,000 staff for their benefit and for their families and their communities and for our clients. It was a fairly simple and quick decision that we could roll this vaccination incentive program out. Essentially, all of our staff that are able to, as soon as they get their second dose, we'll be sending them out a $100 gift card, and there's opportunity to win or earn more money in weekly draws and whatnot as well, all around incentivisation. Now, $100 doesn't sound much. But when you multiply it by $7,000, it's a considerable investment on our behalf and something we're very pleased to be able to do.
And why has the company gone down the incentivisation route?
Well, look, it is, and the conjecture out there around the vaccine and this and that and the other does give people pause for thought about whether they should get vaccinated. This is really an extra jog and an extra step to go and do it. You'll get a little earn, and hopefully the benefits of the vaccine in itself, in terms of health and the ability to get out and work and travel and visit with family and friends, again, is also an incentive. But this is really just an extra push to get people to get that vaccine as quickly as they can.
There's been a lot of discussion, of course, about whether it would be fair to mandate vaccines. MSS Security is obviously on the front line and are in contact with people all the time, even during lockdowns. Do you think that going down that route would be a good option, or do you think people are more likely to take it up if they're incentivised?
Look, I think any decisions around mandating vaccines is for the government, and as I said earlier, we're absolutely in line with their advice. The benefits and the common sense benefits of vaccination are there for all to see, and hopefully this is an extra step and an extra little push for our staff to go and say, well, why not go and do it? And since we launched this just yesterday afternoon, we've already seen over 300 of our staff take that up, and hopefully that gets momentum over the coming days and weeks, so we can get our workforces vaccinated as much as possible, and all the benefits that flow from that.
Geoff Alcock, we have to leave it there. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.